Hey everybody, welcome to the October gift giving in October. October gift giving, October gifts from Arbonne holiday line. So this is exciting for me because I haven't seen the products. They just arrived at my door today. So I'm going to unbox them. You won't see the box and stuff, but I'll be bringing the stuff out of the box to show you. And just a little bit about me. My name is Lisa Hartspillane. I'm an independent consultant with Arbonne International, and I am so happy to be a brand ambassador for this company. We have recently become a designated B Corp, which means that we put people and the planet before profits. And that really resonates with me, especially in my older years when all I can think about is giving back and service. So really, I'm so excited to be using these products that have so much integrity. I mean, we've been 40 years together on this planet as a company and really have never tested on animals ever. I'm so proud of that. We have so many designations, which you can check on at arbonne.com and find out all of our certifications. So really, it's a no-brainer. Let me be your concierge. Let me, get together with you and discuss what your needs are, your family's needs, so you don't have to go out in this crazy time, and we can just get you the best quality products with the best deal. So let's start now. We're going to explore the Holiday 2020 collection, and it's designed to invoke warm memories and joy-filled moments. So these really are the way they put it together. It's PCR packaging with reusable gift tags and tags so that you can mindfully gift by using less waste and more love for the people in the planet. So let's start right away with the mint cooling facial gift set. Now they come in these gorgeous little bags. They're cloth bags, so they have the tag, the giving tag there. Everything's in here, not too much packaging, paper packaging. This is the konjac sponge, which you use this for the cooling face mint mask. So you put that on and then you use the konjac sponge to take it off. You also have this beautiful dry peppermint facial oil, which is not an oily oil. It's actually a dry oil. Gorgeous. I can't wait I'm going to try all of these. I'm going to just spend my whole holidays just trying everything in these bags. So that's the first one. Then there's the peppermint foot care gift. So this is lovely too. This comes with a balm. This is the foot balm. Comes with a gorgeous little pair of socks, cozy socks, the kind of, fleecy socks. And this is the soap that you use to scrub your feet and get all those cracks off and from walking all those miles that you're doing now, trying to stay well, right? So cracks on your heels, just use this soap bar. It's got all the lovely scrubbing nodules in it. I love that too. Oh, it smells so good. Again, the packaging is so lovely. So you have this little gift. So everything is, you can keep everything together. So that's two. Oh, so exciting. And then we have the Sugared Amber Spa gift set. So this is Indulging Spa Trio featuring soft, cozy scent of sugared amber. There's bath salts, a body scrub, body mist, a hang tag, and reusable duster bag. So you can buy them all, separately, all of these pieces. But it's so nice to give it in a little bag, isn't it? As a set. So this is the Sugared Amber Scrub. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Then you have the Detoxifying Bath Salt, Sugared Amber. Lovely. All glass jars, by the way, right? So that saves so much waste on the planet. Nothing going to the landfill. And this is Sugared Amber All Over Mist. So after you come out of that, scrubbing yourself and being in the detox. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's number one on my list. Then I do my feet. Then we got the minis, which hang on the tree, which are really cute. There's three of them. There's a poinsettia. What is this? Multi-purpose smooth color stick, which applies to your cheeks for a matte red berry glow. I haven't looked at that one yet, but I'm going to. So poinsettia it's called, so you can get the idea of what color it would be. But so they hang on the tree, right? So they're just little mini gifts that hang on the tree. There is also, let's see what the other thing is. There is a mint moisturizing lip balm ornament. So that's this one. That hangs on the tree too. And then you've got Speak Volumes mascara ornament. So it's a little one. It really perfect fits in your purse as well. Oh, aren't they great? It's pretty exciting. All right. Then I have the Sugar Amber candle. Oh, I love these scent burning candles. And these candles they're made with no toxins whatsoever, right? So here we go. It's sugared amber. Comes in a box like this, and in a very safe packaging as well. It's inside of a box. This comes inside of a box as well. Wow. And here is the new nutrition, which I have heard great things about. This is the pumpkin spice flavor protein shake, which I'll make my protein bites and I'll use it for my latte, protein spice latte, lovely, lovely. And also just in my nutrition shake in the morning so that I can get the most goodness. 20 grams of protein, pea protein, and cranberry, and with the 20 vitamins and minerals, right? 2 scoops water or nut milk, and any fruit of your choice, or just leave it alone and just have it that way. I use it with a Greens Plus powder, our essential greens, and Digestion Plus with the probiotics. And if you want to know more about our nutrition line, just put link in the comments and I will be sure to send you more about that. So that's what our protein is about. Pumpkin spice. And that's limited edition. I'm pretty sure that won't last too long. Then there's a shea butter hand trio, which is really cool too. There is coconut and jasmine and apricot. So 3 hand creams that are all purse size that can go in people's stockings. And then you have this little duster bag. Isn't that great? And then now we have the Evergreen Forest Hand Care Duo gift set. Now this is a big one. Oh, I'm caught on something here. Sorry. This comes with the hand cream. This is like a marble thing. So there's a hand, this is the hand wash Evergreen, and it's huge. This is going to last a long time. And we're using a lot of this now. So this is going to go in my kitchen, and I'll have one in my bathroom too. And it just sits on a little marble, you know, so it doesn't ruin the counter. So it just sits in this little marble case. Isn't that lovely? And it comes with a beautiful green bag, which I will show you. It's attached to something else, but whatever. There we go. It's got the green bag, gift bag. So that's lovely as well. Wow, I'm so excited. Can't wait to use all of this stuff. And then we have for the kids in your life, or young people, whether you have grandchildren or you have younger children in your life, each one of them can get one of these. This is gingerbread hair and body wash. There's 3 of them in a bag. So again, it comes in these gorgeous bags. Gingerbread wash, sugar cookie, and what's this one? Snickerdoodle. So they're all different delicious smells and tastes that kids will just love to have their hair and body washed. You don't need 2 separate products. And it's light enough, and so doesn't strip the hair of any essential oils. Lovely for the kids. And now we have the Coconut Soft and Smooth Body Gift Set. The Coconut Soft and Smooth. That's that. That's this one. Coconut Soft and Smooth. Where are you? There you are. So we have the Cleansing Body Polish. And then there is this gorgeous coconut body oil. Can you imagine what that must feel like? Can't wait to try that. Again, the packaging is less is more. And I think that that is it. That is what we have for you today. So I would really love to hear if you want to hear more about any of these products. Please go to www.arbonne.com and have a look, and then get back to me or message me. And there is a little raffle going on. So anybody who puts in an order in the next 48 hours will get a gift from me. And also I'll be raffling off some lovely tea and some lovely fizz sticks. So please make some comments, answer the poll. I'm going to be posting pictures of all these things. If you could just comment and let me know that you're there, then I'll enter you in the raffle. And then I'm going to send you to my page, my actual business page, which I will put the link in. So I just want to thank you all for staying with me and being with me on this gift opening and unboxing of Arbonne's holiday line. And don't forget, it's while supplies last. They go fast. So if you're interested, let me know. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.